through this program which have just become so beneficial for my lifestyle that it's just become an integral part of who I am now. Starting with when I have my meals, to what I have in my meals, to how much I have of my meals. Those have become integral parts and sometimes they say this even about gluten intolerance, right? Sometimes it's only when you get off chapatis for a few months and then try it once, you'll realize that, okay, actually you feel so much better without it. And you only know it when you take one chapati after some time and how it makes you feel. A lot of it is like that. Some of the healthy fats, the clean food, the macronutrients are so good. I'm so used to it that I don't even feel like I want to go back to some of the things I used to eat. Like, I haven't had a dosa in more than 12 months, and it's not like I've ever craved for it. I don't even think I'll ever eat a full dosa again. You just realize that this is what works for you, that doesn't work for you, and you just, your body tells you when this feels so much better. Same with alcohol. I've literally not touched a drop since I got on this program. There are friends who actually ask me saying, don't you miss it? And they're surprised that I don't. It's just, this clean way of living works so well that I see no reason not to want to continue with it and do things. Your body will tell you, once you got onto this route, it'll tell you when some things which you thought were great are no longer great for you. And so I now listen to my body, stick to this plan, and I know I'm now allowed to treat myself once in a while, and that's how I'm going to treat it. I may have an ice cream once in a while. I may go back and have a half a dosa when I want to because I'm allowed to, but I see no reason not to continue with something that's making me feel so good.